Hi everyone, thanks for stopping in today to see what I am up to. And today I have my Facetory monthly sheet mask subscription, and this is always a month behind, so I do believe this is the September bag. I'm just going to take everything out of the bag. And usually it says it on here if it's September or not. I do believe this is September. They're always behind, and since we're getting all the October boxes, this has to be September. And Facetory, I get the Forever Fresh kit, which is $8.90 a month, where you receive 4 masks. There is the 7 Lux, that's $19 a month. You get 7 masks, and then they have the Lux Plus Box, $49.95 a season. I'm trying to think how many pieces. I have it written down, 10 to 12 skincare and hair care items with the value of over $200. So that is something nice to get, and that's, you know, once a quarter, once a season. You get a little card that tells you the masks and gives you a little bit of information, and then these are the masks that I see. So let's just start with the first one and make sure I'm holding this up properly. And this is from Orgena, and this is a collagen mask. And collagen, hydrolyzed collagen, is a great humectant ingredient that helps hydrate, moisturize, and plump the skin. Value of $2. Love that one. Packaging is always so cute on these. The next one is from Zygot, and this is a pomegranate mask. And I've used pomegranate before, and it's very nice for your skin. Value of $2. And pomegranate extract is infused with vitamin C. This antioxidant-rich ingredient brightens the skin and fades dark spots. So that's a nice one to get. And did I tell you $2? Yes, I think I did. The next one right here is from Balloon Blanc, and this is Blanc Therapy Avocado Mask. Also very good for your skin. $2.50 is the value. And this is avocado oil is infused with vitamin C and E. And that ingredient nourishes and helps brighten, moisturize, and renew. And then there's another extract in here, which I have no idea how to pronounce it, is a protecting ingredient against anti-inflammatory and antibacterial to help soothe your skin. So these masks are very, very good for your skin. Oh, this one is adorable. I don't know which one, because I think you can get the choice of. Which one is this? Moisture. Okay. This is some pretty neat looking package. And this is by Haru, and this is a Prolog Soothing Moisture or Lifting Mask. And I received the Moisture Mask, and this is a value of $3. There is McHugh berry, something like that, an antioxidant-rich ingredient that helps protect the skin from environmental damage while also being calming and nourishing. That packaging is awesome, like kicking its butt. Nice. And then lately we've been getting an extra mask, a bonus, and this is the Beautiful Factor, and this is a glow sponge hydrating mask right here. So that's the bonus mystery mask that we've been getting. So on the card, it does, you know, give you the information and like the key ingredients you'll see on here. I usually take a picture of this so that if you guys want to read any further information. So these are the masks that I received for this month, and I love this subscription. Full of goodness, keeps on giving. You can do a mask a week, so now we have a bonus mask. And I do have an abundance of these right now, so I do share them with family, friends, and put them in all my giveaways. Just because, why not? If I can't use them all, I'll share them with all of you. So that is my Facetory for September 2020. Thank you so much for all your support, and I hope everyone's doing well. And I will see all of you in my next video. Bye-bye now.